JDBC prepared statement, right? Create the main method and finish. So it is ready now. We need to import java dot SQL. What we need is the connection. આપણે APIs પહેલેથી એટલે કે ઇન્ટરફેસ જે બી લેવાના છે એના ઓબ્જેક્ટ્સ પહેલેથી ડિક્લેર કરી લઈએ છીએ, રાઈટ? સો ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ CONN and then we need is the prepared statement, let's say PSTMT. હવે આપણે જે ક્લાસ લોડ કરવાનો છે એ જોઈ લઈએ. ક્લાસ dot for name. Now what is going to be the class? I forgot, let's say I forgot the class name, right? So JDBC colon, so Oracle, right, dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Now given the fact that okay, you should have added the jar files, right, in your project. So this is the class that we need to load. Now I'm not going to manage the exception, so I'm handing over this responsibility to Java. So try and catch મારે ક્યાંય લખવું જ નહીં પડે. હવે મેં શું કર્યું કે void main જે છે અહીંયા થ્રુ exception કરી નાખ્યું. સો જે બી અહીંયા exception આવશે it is to be managed by the main. હવે મેઇનમાં આપણે કાંઈ try catch મૂક્યું નથી એટલે Java runtime manage કરશે. So let's define the connection. Driver manager dot get connection. Three things that we need to pass. URL આપવું પડશે, પછી username and password. So this is going to be the URL for Oracle connectivity. So let's put it over here. Then system is the username and HJD is the password. So it's done now. Driver manager dot get connection, the URL, username and password. Let's check whether this worked properly. Done. જો આ બરોબર હશે then આપણે prepared statement છે ચેક કરી લેશે. Let's run the application. It is running. It is done, right? So let's create initialize the prepared statement is equal to connection dot prepared statement. Here is the query. Insert into stud is our table and the field name SNO, SNAME, SCT, and these are going to be the values. First question mark, second question mark and third question mark. I think this will be enough for now. આપણી query છે એ લગભગ પૂરી થઈ ગઈ છે. Insert into stud the field name and the values. So let's set our placeholder. Set int, right? First is going to be the index number and then next is going to be the value, right? Again PSTMT dot, we know that બીજું field જે છે string type નું છે. અહીંયા let's say we are sound and the last જે છે it is again string type છે. So it is going to be 3 Jamnagar. We need to execute the query. PSTMT dot execute update and system, oh it is there, it is already there. Just put I, rows affected. I think it is going to run. And lastly અહીંથી આપણે એને ક્લોઝ કરી દઈએ. PSTMT dot close and CONN dot close, right? I'm sure it is going to work properly. Let's run it. Oh, See, our table name is student and not the stud, so there was an error. Let's run the application again. 1 rows affected. Let's go to the Oracle and check. Select star from student. So this is one VRO sign. Let's try to add one more record. So here choose करना की here. Let's make it to vrza.com at and city nahi but YouTube, right? Let's run the program again. 1 row affected. Let's go to the Oracle and check. So in this way one can use the prepared statement. Now let's use the same prepared statement for updating a query, updating a table. So update student, then let's say set s name is equal to question mark and s city is equal to question mark, where SNO is equal to question mark. So in this way one can set the parameter update student, set s name is equal to question mark, which is going to be our first parameter, comma s city is equal to question mark, again it is going to be our second parameter, where SNO is equal to question mark. So this is going to be our third parameter. Now how to do so? Let's first parameter જે છે હવે આને આપણે just for a while મને comment કરી દઉં છું. pstmt.set string, right? પેલો parameter છે એ 1 છે, એનું નામ મારે બદલાવી નાખવું છે. Let's say from name જે રવિ છે instead મારે શું કરી નાખવું છે? Let's say ઉઝા રવિ, right? The second છે એનું city છે, second parameter જે છે city છે. So instead of Jamnagar, let's make it as Mumbai. આ ક્યાં કરવાના છે અપડેશન? આ ઉઝા રવિ અને મુંબઈ એ કઈ રો માટે કરવાનું છે? તો અહીંયા આપણે સેટ ઇન્ટ આપી દઈએ છીએ, મીન્સ વેર સ્ટુડન્ટનો જે નંબર જે છે ને એ 1 છે, મીન્સ થર્ડ પેરામીટર જે છે વિચ ઇઝ SNO એની વેલ્યુ જ્યાં 1 હોય ત્યાં. સો એન્ડ PSTMT તો એ જ રહેશે and rows affected. So it is going to update 1 row, right? Let's run the application. 1 row affected. Let's cross verify from here, and here you can check. Ravi या रोजा હતું મેં update કરાયું તો રોજા રવિ થઈ ગયું અને અહીંયા મુંબઈ થઈ ગયું. So in this way one can use prepared statement for insert as well as for updation purpose. So આપણે insert માટે જોયું. This is for updation purpose. And now let's see for delete, right? જો શું કરવાનું અહીંયા આપણે delete, sorry, let's uncomment this. So delete from student, where, see where clause is ready, આ બંને પેરામીટર ને જવા દી. So only one parameter we need to set, આ બંનેની કઈ જરૂર નથી. અને એક પેરામીટર હશે એટલે નંબર આ 1 થઈ જાય. અને 1 નંબરનો રેકોર્ડ છે એને આપણે ડિલીટ કરી દેવો છે. the query રન કરવાની રીત તો એ જ રહેશે, and 1 rows affected હવે 1 આવશે, right? So delete from student where SNO is equal to 1. તો first row જે છે ઉઝા રવિ વાળી, it is going to be deleted. Let's run the application. 1 row affected. Let's cross verify from here. The 1 record is deleted. So again for insert, update and delete, ત્રણેય query માટે we can use the prepared step. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Ask your questions in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest video notification.